From 9 to 5 drone to entrepreneur, one man's journey to financial freedom, my success story. Hi there, my name is Michael, and I'm here to tell you my story, from being a 9 to 5 drone to finally becoming an entrepreneur and reaching financial freedom. I woke up at 5 a.m. every morning dreading at the thought of going to work. My boss was a complete nightmare, always yelling and micromanaging every aspect of my job. And to make matters worse, the work environment was just toxic, with my coworkers constantly bickering and undermining each other. I was stuck in this cycle, living paycheck to paycheck and never having any extra money to enjoy life. I dreamed of quitting my job and having financial freedom, but I just didn't know how to make it happen. I was starting to lose hope and feel like I was destined to be stuck in this 9 to 5 rut forever. So, I took a chance and started searching for ways to make money online. I tried so many different online business methods, but nothing seemed to work. Until one day, I stumbled upon the world of affiliate marketing and everything changed. I took the leap, put in the hard work, and finally, I'm living the life I always dreamed of with financial success. So sit back, relax, and let me take you on my journey from 9 to 5 drone to entrepreneur. It all changed one day when I stumbled upon the world of affiliate marketing. I had heard of it before but never really paid much attention to it until I saw how others were making a successful living from it. I started researching and learning as much as I could about affiliate marketing and how it worked. I was determined to make it work for me, to finally break free from the 9 to 5 grind and live the life I had always dreamed of. Building my affiliate marketing business wasn't easy, there were a lot of challenges and struggles along the way. I was learning a new skill, building a website, and trying to promote my products all at the same time. I was also trying to manage my finances and budget my money wisely so I could keep my business afloat. But despite the challenges, I was determined to succeed and never lost my focus or my motivation. I knew that with hard work and perseverance, I could make my dream a reality. I remember the feeling of excitement as I started to see the first few sales come in. It was a huge accomplishment for me, and I was proud of what I had built. I put in the hard work and effort, and it was paying off. I finally had the freedom to work from anywhere I wanted, set my own hours and be my own boss. I was no longer tied down to a toxic work environment and could finally enjoy life again. But it wasn't just about the financial gain. I also found that I was much happier, motivated and fulfilled. I was doing something I was passionate about, and it showed in my work. My business continued to grow, and I was able to help others by sharing my knowledge and experiences. Every day, I wake up and I feel a sense of excitement for what the day may bring. I am no longer tied down to a 9 to 5 job or a boss that makes my life miserable. I have the freedom to do what I want, when I want. I am no longer living paycheck to paycheck, but instead, I am living the life I always dreamed of. I am constantly reminded of the journey I took to get here and how far I have come. I never thought that it would be possible to break free from the 9 to 5 grind, but with determination, hard work, and the right tools, I was able to make it happen. In conclusion, my journey from 9 to 5 drone to successful entrepreneur was not an easy one, but it was worth every minute. I was able to break free from the toxic environment and the never-ending routine of the 9 to 5 grind. By discovering affiliate marketing, I was able to create my own business and finally achieve financial freedom. Now, I am able to live life on my own terms, travel and do things that I never thought were possible. If you are tired of your 9-to-5 job and are ready to take the leap towards financial freedom, I encourage you to do so. It won't be easy, but it will be worth it. Take the first step by clicking the link below and start your journey with winning wealthy. We will be with you every step of the way, providing the guidance and support you need to succeed. So what are you waiting for? Click the link below and let's get started. Thanks for watching.